How to teach your baby to roll over. Imagine this. Your baby should be learning to roll over, one of the first and most critical milestones. But what if missing this window actually delays crawling, sitting, or even walking? Most parents don't realize that improper rolling skills can quietly stall their baby's entire motor development. Today I'll reveal shocking mistakes parents make without realizing it, and I'll give you 5 rare science-backed strategies to help your baby roll over quickly, confidently, and safely. I'm a registered early childhood teacher with over 10 years of experience specializing in early years development. I put countless hours into research, observing real case studies, and working hands-on with children. And today, you're getting all that knowledge condensed into one video. By the end, you'll not only know exactly how to teach your baby to roll over, but you'll also avoid the hidden dangers that most parents accidentally cause. And here's a twist. The last tip is the most unexpected, and it has nothing to do with toys, mats, or fancy equipment. Yet it might completely change how you think about your baby's development. Stay until the end because you don't want to miss it. Tip 1. Did you know that babies who skip rolling are up to 40% more likely to struggle with crawling coordination later? That's because rolling is not just cute, it's literally your baby's first lesson in cross-body brain development. Rolling requires the left and the right sides of the brain to communicate. When that connection isn't practiced, later milestones can stumble. Here's how to help. Instead of just placing your baby flat and waiting, use the hip pivot method. Gently press one side of the hip down towards the mat, just enough so gravity does the work and their body starts rolling naturally. This isn't forcing, it's guiding their brain to map the sequence. Parents who do this consistently see their baby begin initiating rolls weeks earlier than average. Now let me ask you, are you accidentally waiting for your baby to just figure it out? If so, that delay could already be setting them back. Tip 2. Have you heard of the trapped arm problem? Many babies get stuck mid-roll because one arm is pinned beneath their body. Parents often panic and pull the baby over. But here's the shocking truth. Doing that too often teaches dependence instead of independence. Instead, try the free the wing trick. Place a small roll towel under the shoulder blade, just enough to elevate the arm so it slides free during the roll. Research from pediatrics physiotherapists show that when babies feel the freedom of that arm, they learn to complete rolls much faster, and it reduces frustration dramatically. Quick note, before we move on, I need you to write in the comments the exact struggles you're facing with your baby's milestones. Maybe they get stuck halfway, maybe they refuse tummy time. Whatever it is, tell me below. I personally reply to every comment within 24 hours with a custom solution completely free. Tip 3. This one might shock you. Placing your baby on super soft mattress or thick fluffy rugs can actually delay rolling. Why? Because the unstable surface absorbs the energy instead of giving them the pushback they need. Imagine trying to do push-ups on a trampoline versus a yoga mat. Your muscles don't activate properly. So, here's the fix. Practice rolling sessions on a firm, flat surface, ideally a play mat with a little grip. Studies from motor learning science prove that firm surfaces create the perfect resistance babies need to engage their core and shoulder muscles. This tiny change can shave weeks of your baby's rolling progress. Now, if you're learning something new already, can I ask you for a quick favor? I spend hours scripting, filming, and editing and fact checking these videos, all while working full time, teaching children and mentoring teachers. I provide all this for free, and subscribing costs you nothing but means the world to me. It allows me to keep supporting parents like you. So if you find this valuable, please hit the subscribe button right now. Thank you. Tip 4. Here's a wild one. Babies who hear rhythmic cues while rolling are 60% more likely to succeed earlier. Yes, music and timing play a role. Our brains are wired to anticipate movement through rhythm. That's why sports coaches use claps and chants. Babies are no different. Try gently clapping or softly counting. 1, 2, roll at the exact moment you guard the hip or shoulder. Over a few weeks, your baby will start associating the rhythm with movement and then initiate rolls on the cue alone. It's not just adorable, it's neurotraining. Tip 5. Now, here's the most counterintuitive secret. Sometimes the best way to teach rolling is not by teaching at all. Let me explain. When babies see a powerful motivator just out of reach, like a shiny spoon, not a toy, their natural instinct to problem solve kicks in. Unlike toys, everyday objects create a higher level of curiosity because babies constantly see adults use them. So, instead of dangling rattles, place a safe, everyday item just slightly beyond their reach. Watch what happens. The desire to reach that object activates muscles and problem solving in a way no structured exercise can replicate. I've seen babies roll over for the first time because they simply couldn't resist grabbing mom's keys or dad's wallet. Did you know that research shows that by age 2, toddlers from word-rich households know up to 600 more words than toddlers from word-poor households? That gap, it doesn't just vanish, it grows wider over time, affecting school readiness and even social confidence. So here's the question I'll leave you with. What's the fastest and most effective way to supercharge your toddler's vocabulary before age 2 without overwhelming them or turning learning into a chore? The answer is in my next video. 7 proven tips to boost your toddler's vocabulary fast. Go watch it now. And remember, you've got this and I've got your back.